There's only one way over there. Raptor must be up ahead. However, it looks like but there's a ton of enemies below. If we're gonna do this, we'll have to glide. You still had one stage to go in. Yeah, but what's that? How about we make this the third and... Are you sure that's how It's a custom version of the exam. Designed besides the normal So, what do you say? Woohoo! Good answer! Prepare for takeoff. Raptor awaits you once you defeat all these enemies. Then that... You're a natural. I knew you'd be fine. All that's left now is to grab ourselves a raptor. Let's go! You can't keep up with me! keep up with me. Told you I'd win. Bet you can't keep up with me. Go, go, Baron Bunny! No escape! Steady as stone. Someone needs assistance. Someone needs assistance. Huh. Someone needs assistance. Someone needs assistance. I'll catch up. Someone needs assistance. I must leave no stone as a good knight should. It looks like there's no way across. Ugh, he must be around. Amber! Over there!
If you insist on chasing me, so be it. Huh? Who?
You must be a raptor! You can't escape!
I don't need to escape. There's...
Oh, it is pretty...
Oh, little girl, why don't you run along home now and let your leader deal with it?
Hey, watch it! You're talking to a Knights of Favonius outrider. You'll be sorry when... You're right. Ugh, he's right there in front of... So how did he get across? I don't see a mechanism, and I have good... Besides, there's nowhere on the cliff that...
Bye-bye, kiddo.
Oh no! He's getting... Ugh, we can't hesitate and... But... Don't worry. I'm the gliding champion of Mondstadt, remember?
Oi, Outrider! You have less chance of surviving this than jumping off the Animo Gods...
Paimon sees your point. If you rule out everything that... Remember that book I lent you? The one I thought was the gliding manual, but wasn't? The first birds couldn't fly. Flight was their reward... Be my witness. Raptor says I'll never make it.
Wait! Stop! You'll never make it! Come on up!
Raptor says I'll never make it. But if you listen carefully... The wind says I will... Amber! No! You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! It's a wind current! She's gliding! Amber's gliding!
You're crazy, kid! You must have known about the wind current.
I'll catch up.
There's no way you would have jumped otherwise.
The wind takes care of those who have courage. Now sit still and await your arrest, like a good little boy. Leave it all to me.
Just a temporary setback.
You're open. I got careless.
All right, I got him. I only noticed the wind current from in the air, and it's the only... It would be suicide to try and... In other words, the only way...
Aha! So he was just trying to fool. Little did he know, we're not.
It was all thanks to your sharp thinking. Just like a wise man once said, once you eliminate the impossible, at the end of the day, gliding is 7 parts to...
What you did now looked more like 99 parts courage.
It was just like in my first gliding exam. I was super nervous, but in the end, I kinda missed that nervous rush and...
Sorry. Paimon thought you said you passed no problem.
Well, you see, the thing is... every time I get my license, it keeps getting... But I always pass the first time. I guess my little...
Let's go and get a copy of the real gliding manual from Acting Grandmaster Jean sometime.
I'll head off first because I need to escort. Once you're back in the city, don't forget to...
She just can't sit still, can she? Guess that's why she's the outrider. When this is all done and dusted, let's head to the cathedral and... Getting this gliding license has turned into quite the adventure.